Have you heard about just-in-time? If you work in production, procurement, or logistics, this concept could help you to improve your efficiency. Just-in-time is an inventory management strategy that means producing or receiving materials only when you need them, not before, not after. The goal: cut inventory, reduce waste, and save costs. Imagine this: a car factory gets its delivery the same day that they are installed. No stock sitting idles, no overflowing warehouses. But heads up, it demands perfect timing. One-time suppliers, synced productions, and zero room for surprises. This method presents several benefits: lower storage cost, greater agility, and leaner production. In few words, increases business profitability, but also has some huge challenges. There's no safety buffers, and one small delay can stop everything. But just-in-time is not for everyone. It works best with predictable industries with strong supply chains. Do you want to know if just-in-time is right for you? Visit ForgeFlow Cloud and discover how we help you analyze your processes, data, and supply chain to pinpoint which system works best for your business. See you in the next video.